so let's work on this. So I was trying to solve, and then a call came in and interrupted the video, so I'll just say I can add or just quickly summarize this and move on. All right, so we have 3x raised power 3, y raised power minus 4, z raised power minus 2. Okay, the first thing you need to do here is identify the bases with the negative index and make them the denominator. That's all. So we have 3x raised power 3 as the numerator, then y and z with their powers down. If you notice, when we made them denominators, the negative sign left. Yes, because that's a law. That's the fourth law in the laws of indices, that says that to eliminate negative sign in a base, make a swap from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator. So since it is a numerator here, it will become a denominator. Alright, and since this one too is the same, it will become this. Why this numerator will maintain its position? Because the index is positive. So let's go to the second one. So we have 12p raised power minus 5 q raised power minus 6 to be divided by 3p raised power 8 q raised power 10. So this division sign here, I change it to this. You know, in mathematics, it can be like this or it can be like this. It can also be like this. Okay, you can do like this. It's a division sign. Alright, so then 12 divided by 3 is what gives us this 4 here. Then this division sign indices is saying p and p will subtract their power. So minus 5 minus 8. That's why we have it here. Then minus 6 minus 10. That's why we have it here. Minus 6 minus 10. So what is minus 5 minus 8? That's minus 13. Then what is minus 6 minus 10? That's minus 16. So same thing we did in this first one. This one and this one has their index. They have rather their index to be what? The index of this and this are what? Negative. So we made them denominators. So let's also make p and q a denominator by doing it this way. P raised power 13, q raised power 16. And that happens to be our final answer. There's nothing we can simplify there anymore. So we'll go to the third one, number 3. So I'll take it to another page. The third one says 6a raised power minus 4. Let's go to a fresh page. 6a raised power minus 4. So what do we do here now? There's nothing to work here, but this has to go and become a denominator. So our answer is 6 over a raised power 4. Is that clear? There's nothing to simplify there. So let's go to the next question. What's the next question? Next question says 5x square y, 5x square y, alright, multiplied by 2x5 y2, multiplied by 2x5 y2. So let's solve. Alright, so to solve this, 5 times 2 is 10. Then x has 2, x has 5. So that is going to be x is power 2 plus 5. Why am I adding? Product, law 1. Then y has the power of 1 here. Y has the power of 2 here. So it's going to be y 1 plus 2. So now I'm going to have 10 x raised power 7, y raised power 3, which is our final answer. So let's go to the next question. Next question says, okay, 3a times 4am. In fact, I'll just solve this without wasting time. Now, if you notice, everything, there are two brackets. First, the outer one has a power index of 7. The second one has an index of 0. Do you understand that? So this is a very simple question. Everything here has a power of 0. And remember, this is law what? 0 law, law 3. Anything raised by 0 is what? 1. So everything in brackets would be 1. Then, and I have the other power here. So I dealt with the first bracket inside. Right? If I'm to multiply, I'll start with this one. But since I'm working within the bracket, I'll start with the inner bracket before the outer one. So anything raised by 0 is 1. So everything here then raised by 7. So 1 raised by 7 is 1. That's the answer to that one. Exactly. So I believe we're done with this. Okay? So in case you have any question, make sure you ask in the comment section. Anytime you're solving and you notice negative sign, if you have to work this out with something else, just like this and this, don't be in a hurry to take this down. Even if you do that, you will still get your answer correctly. Do you understand? You still get to answer correctly. If I decided to solve this one by saying 12, okay, over P 5Q 6 divided by 3 P 8 Q 10. If I solve, I will still get my answer. Okay, this is to divide this. I will still get my answer. In mathematics, there's a once I work it out, this 12 will divide 3. This one will be this minus this minus this. It will still be exactly what I have here. So don't get it wrong. If you have any question at all, just write it in the comments and I'll attend to it.